Atkins Civil 3D video series, Road 4A, Profile View, Side Roads. This video illustrates A. Default profile view settings, B. Create stack profile view for side roads, C. Adjust left and right profile views, D. Change names of profile views. Each side road will have its own profile view. The profile views for side roads, which contain improvements that are less than 200 feet in length on the left side and on the right side of the primary road, will be created adjacent to each other and plotted on one drawing sheet. Change the default profile view settings for the side roads south of the primary road. In Settings, right-click Profile View, Edit Feature Settings, Default Styles, Marker style none or blank, profile view style, pick the current style, select 20 horizontal, 5 vertical center line, no right grid, OK. Profile label set, profile no label set, top stack view style, 20 horizontal, 5 vertical left, middle stack view style, pick the current, select 20 horizontal, 5 vertical center line, no right grid, OK. Bottom stack view style, 20 horizontal, 5 vertical right. No change in any of the other settings. Apply. OK. Create the stack profile view for 44 south of Kincaid. Home ribbon, profile and section view, profile view icon. Create profile view. In general, select alignment, select 44 south, profile view name, parent alignment, description none, profile view style, 20 horizontal, 5 vertical center line, no right grid, profile view layer style, C3D profile, show all set profiles, yes, next, station range, user specified, start, enter 700 for 7 plus 0, 0, end, enter 1100 for 11 plus 0, 0, next, profile view height, user specified. The range of the profile height for the side road should be the same for the primary road. Minimum 400, maximum 500. Split profile view no. Next. Stack profile, number of stack views 3, gap between 60. Top view 25 horizontal, 5 vertical left. Middle 20 horizontal, 5 vertical center line, no right grid. Bottom 20 horizontal, 5 vertical right. Create profile view. Pick location for bottom left corner. Profile view of the side roads below the primary road. To move the grid, use the M command, M, enter. Select all 3 profiles. Move so the left end lines up with the primary road profile view. OK. The 3 grid views should line up vertically. Draw 60-foot vertical lines for location of the top and bottom profile views. Start line command L, enter. Pick the top left corner of the middle profile view. Move cursor upward and enter 60. Depress escape key to stop the command. Depress enter a second time to restart the line command. Pick the lower left corner. Move cursor vertically downward, enter 60. Move the top and bottom profile views. Start M command, M, enter. Pick the name or axis of the 44th south top profile view, enter. With snap-on, pick the left end point of the top axis. Pick the top end point of the top vertical line. Repeat for the bottom axis, M, enter. Pick the axis, enter. Pick the end point, move to the end point of the vertical line. Modify the names of the profile views. Pick the top profile view. In Properties palette, add LT to the end of the name. And delete other letters and numbers at the end of the name. Enter. Escape to stop the command. Pick the middle profile view. Add CL at the end of the name. Enter. Escape. Modify the bottom profile view name. Add RT for right. Create the stack profile views for 44th Street north of Kincaid. Home ribbon, profile section views panel. profile view icon, create profile view, general, alignment, 44th north, profile view name, parent alignment, no description, profile view style, 20 horizontal, 5 vertical center line, no left grid, profile view layers, C3D profile view, show offsets profiles, yes, next, station range, user define. The profile view start station should be 100 feet less than the alignment start station. Enter 900 for the start. The end station should be 100 feet greater than the alignment end station. Enter 1300 for 13 plus 00. Next, view height, user specified, minimum 400, maximum 500. No split profile view. Next, stack profile view, number of stacks 3, gap between 60. Left style, 20 horizontal, 5 vertical left. Middle style, 20 horizontal, 5 vertical center line. No left grid. Bottom view style, 20 horizontal, 5 vertical right. Create profile view. The left side of the 44th north profile view should be coincident with the right side of the 44th south profile view. For insert for the 44th north profile view, pick the bottom right corner of the 44th south centerline profile view grid. Move the profile views as needed. Use move command M enter. Pick the bottom axis of the bottom profile view. Enter. With snap-on, pick the left end point of the bottom axis. Pick the right end point of the bottom axis of the 44 south right profile view. Enter to start a new move command. Pick a grid line in the middle profile view. Enter. Pick the lower left corner of the grid. Pick the lower right corner of the 44 south centerline grid. Enter to start a new move command. Pick the 44th north top axis. Enter. Pick the left end of the top axis. Pick the right end of the 44 south left top axis. Change the name of the profile views. Pick the top profile view. In Properties palette, remove all characters to the right of the current name. Add LT to the name. Enter. Escape. Pick the middle profile view. Remove all characters in the name. Add CL. Enter. Escape. Pick the bottom profile view. Add RT. Enter. Draw a horizontal line extending to the right from the bottom axis of the current right profile view. Use line command L. Enter. Pick the end point of the current right axis and extend horizontally to the right. This horizontal line will be used for the placement of additional side road profile views. For this video, the profile views for all side roads have been created and are shown. There is no 45th Street south of Kincaid, and there is no road or drive north of Kincaid in the vicinity of the UAFS drives. In order to reduce the number of drawing sheets, the profile views for 45th North and UAFS drive will be joined together. Use move command M, enter. Select all 3 profile views of UAFS drive. Enter. For the base point, pick the right end of the bottom axis of the UAFS right profile view. For the insert point, pick the left end point of the bottom axis of the 45th south right profile view. Use M command M enter to move the UAFS profile views to line up with the 45th north profile views. Enter. This video is a part of the Civil 3D video series created by Gerald Atkins of Atkins Engineering. Visit www.atkengr.com for instruction manuals, tutorial drawings, template drawings, and Civil 3D videos.